everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amaka Eke-Nwachukwu and this is AEN Architecture, where we discuss everything from studio to site. And on today's video, we'll be discussing a question that I get a lot. What is the difference between architecture and civil engineering? So that is what we'll be discussing on this video. If you're new to this channel, you are so much more welcome. If you're one of my oldies, I see you. You're welcome back to the channel. So if you haven't done that already, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. I like to hear from you. I'd like to know what you feel about my videos. If there are any videos you want me to make for you, please do not hesitate to put them on the channel. So let's dive right into today's video. Architecture is designing a comfortable space that your users can enjoy. In a nutshell, that's what architecture does. You want to make sure that the vision of your client is what you are able to achieve. Your focus basically is how the building feels, how the users will want to enjoy it, how they would feel when using it. How functional is this building to the user? So we are talking aesthetics, form, function, spaces, how the spaces will be organized. I discussed in the previous video how architecture and interior design, even though they are separate, can work together to make sure that the user's comfort and satisfaction is achieved. I'll drop the link to the video somewhere below. So now, civil engineering. Civil engineering is basically the science and structure of the building. The paramount aim of the civil engineer or the structural engineer is safety. The emphasis of the civil engineer is making sure that the building stands up and stays up. So we are talking the strength of the foundation, the materials to be used, reinforcement, suspension, if any, cantilevers. Basically safety, that is the focus of the civil engineer, irrespective of whatever the architect has designed and how fantabulous the architect wants it to build. It's the civil engineer that ensures that how dramatic the architect's design is actually safe for the client and the users of the building. So the thing is this: civil engineers, structural engineers, they do not only work on buildings, right? The emphasis of the architect is actually on building, in and out of building, the construction sometimes of the building. But civil engineers don't only build or construct buildings. Civil engineers build roads, they build bridges, they build dams, they build everything buildable. They are the function and the reason why a town is safe to move around, that bridge that you are driving across tomorrow can actually take you safely to your destination, that the road that you're using is actually sound. That's the essence of a civil engineer. So while the architect is thinking about the building, a civil engineer is thinking not just the construction of building, road, bridges, and all other things. So yeah, really, it is still team effort. The architect and the civil engineer work together to make sure that the building is what the client wants, the client is happy with it, and then it's also safe to be occupied by the client. Even though I don't understand why architects enjoy being called engineers on sites, it's still a question to me, because yeah, the role of the architect and the engineer are distinct, right? But both build. The architect constructs, the civil engineer constructs. But the architect, while his emphasis is on just the construction of buildings, the civil engineer constructs buildings, roads, dams, and every other thing constructible. Now, while the emphasis of the architect is more on the aesthetics of the building, the feel, how it makes the client feel, how beautiful it is, how welcoming, how comfortable, how functional the building is. The engineer, either structural or civil, is focused on the safety of the building, ensuring that okay, if the architect wants this, then this should be provided for the building to be safe for the users. Na collab once again. The architect and the civil engineer work hand in hand to make sure that the client is happy with his project. That is why for every design that you as an architect designs, you should also make sure that there is a structural drawing that supports your design, so that when you go to site, you know that what you are building as an architect is actually functional and still safe for your user to use. So till I come your way in the next video, don't forget to like, share, comment. I like to hear from my subscribers. Please send me an email, drop a message in the comment section. What video would you like for me to make for you next? Let me know in the comment section. Till your next video, bye for now.